Hello, my name is Billy and today I'll be teaching you about some of the sounds of the English language. In English we have consonants and we have vowels. And within the group of the vowels we have monophthongs and diphthongs. Today we want to have a look at the diphthongs. Now there are 8 altogether in English and they're made up of 2 individual vowels. So first of all, I'll be saying each diphthong and I want you to try and repeat it after me. And pay special attention to my lips, because my lips help form the sounds. First one, we have A. E, E together make A. 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 Next up, we have I. A, E together make I. 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 Very good. Next one, we have Oi. A, E, put together, make Oi. 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 Very good. Then we have O. O together, make O. 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 Very good. Next one, ow. A, o, ow. 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 Excellent. 3 more to go. Next one, we have ear. E, ear. 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 Very good. Next one, air. Together make air. 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 And last but not least, we have oor. Now this is quite an unusual sound in English, but nevertheless you should be able to say it. So let's practice. O, together, oor. 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 Very good. Now, I'll be going over the diphthongs again, and this time I will give you a word for each diphthong. In fact, I'll be giving you more than one word, so you have a couple to practice the sound with. A, as in they, day, train, pain, away. Let's do that once more. They, day, train, pain, or way. Very good. Next up again, I, as in I like my bike. I like my bike. Very good. Then we had oi, as in boy, noisy, choice, or joy. Boy, noisy, choice, and joy. Excellent. The next one was O. Now I want you to really focus on my lips and see how my lips become very round and a little bit closer than at the start of the sound. O, as in go, or no, or I know this, or vote, throw. Let's do it once more. Go, no, no, vote, throw. Very good. And then we had ow, as in ouch, ouch, this is painful. Ow, ouch, out, house, lounge, and mountain. Once more. Ouch, out, house, lounge, and mountain. Excellent. 3 more to go. Ear, ear, as in hear, dear, fear, or ear, I hear with my ear. And career. Once more. Hear, dear, ear, fear, hear, and career. Our next diphthong was air, as in chair, where, air, careful, where, there. Once more. Chair, where, air, careful, where, and there. We're nearly done. The last one was the unusual sound, ur, as in tour, tourist, sure, furious, or euro. Tour, tourist, sure, furious, and euro. Excellent. That was very good practice. Now, before I started the tutorial, I sat down and thought of as many words as possible for each diphthong. And then I tried to make a sentence out of these words, covering all the diphthongs. Now, my sentence is a bit of a nonsense sentence, but this is what I came up with. My noisy cow played on a frozen lake, which made the fair-haired farmer really furious. My noisy cow played on a frozen lake, which made the fair-haired farmer really furious. I covered all the diphthongs. Some of them come up more than once. Now, I want you to try and write down the sentence and see if you can single out every diphthong. And if you happen to do so, why don't you try it out yourself and see if you can make up another sentence. It doesn't have to make much sense. And if you find one, why don't you leave me a post and send it to me. I hope this tutorial has helped you.